So here one of the student had commented that give us more NCERT lines. So here it is a more important NCERT line for your NEET preparation. So we'll start with class 11th important NCERT lines. Number 1. Diffusion is the movement of particles for a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. So this particular line is very simple, but in NEET they twist it every year. Number 2. Enzymes are biocatalysts that speed up chemical reaction without themselves being abused. So this one line they ask you multiple PYQs, don't ever forget this. Number 3. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane, but this particular sentence they ask you direct NCERT and direct question and you will get direct score. Number 4. The functional unit of protein is called as a polypeptide. It is for biomolecular lovers, they will get a free mark. Number 5. Root hair is greatly increases the surface area for the absorption. This is from the plant physiology, so you'll get such absolute NCERT statement. So moving on to the class 12th high impact NCERT lines. Number 1. Pollination is a transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. So this is very basic line. Still many questions are come from this. Number 2. Apical dominancy is controlled by auxins. One hormone equal to one, many questions. So memorize it. Number 3. Blood pressure is the force that blood exerts against the wall of vessels. Straight from NCERT, this particular sentence is from the physiology. So depends on it how many marks you get. So number 4. Antibiotics are chemical produced by the microorganism that kills or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. So many students love the sentence, but particularly they carries high weightage score. Number 5. Primary productivity is the amount of biomass produced per unit area over a time period. So this particular sentence is from the ecology. So purely NCERT line. So read it, remember it, and you will score it. So if you want more NCERT lines from physics and chemistry, so comment NCERT lines. And yes, as we read your comments, that's why we are bringing this video today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for Bangalore Medical Coaching Center.